Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can log in or sign in into your Old BeReal account on your device. In order to log in into BeReal account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already installed the application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Old BeReal, and after that you'll be listed with lots of applications. You need to select the correct application, that is BeReal, and click on the install button if you haven't installed it. If you're done installing the application, click on open. In order to log in into your account, you must have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So go on tapping on continue or simply skip this part, and then first thing you'll be asked to enter in your username that is associated with BeReal account, and after that you'll be asked to enter in the phone number. And once you enter in your phone number, you also need to verify. So then a verification code will be sent through an SMS, which you need to enter it. And as soon as you enter in the verification code, you've successfully logged into your account. In this way, you can log in into your BeReal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful.